a journey to make this unauthorized drinking system. This system encounters the issue of robbery and illegal activities such as trespassing, and I believe protecting personal properties is essential and important. For that, I came up with this detection system, which includes 10 strong LEDs, a buzzer, a PIR sensor, and it will be in a hidden manner so it can easily be protected from tampering or manipulation. Here is my design specifications. It's in the process of creating B, I created this device in which it is placed in a hidden manner and it will not lead to any prevention or any tampering or manipulation. And it can be placed in this manner so that the tampering is prevented and it can attract policemen or neighbors surrounding it. Here it is other design in which it will be spread across the room and PIS sensor is here, the LCD is here, LED is here, buzzer is here. His design was to elaborate, and I believe the first one to be more better and less manipulation. Here is a circuit deck created or it includes LCD screen, PIR sensor, and LEDs, breadboard, a buzzer. Now I will be showing you this form of a simulation. Here there is no detection, there is no robber or intruder detected. Hence the LEDs are not lighting up or there is any buzzer. At the moment I click on the and I click on here to start buzzing. You can clearly see how the system is very effective since the LEDs can visually notify, the buzzer can audibly notify, and the text can notify based on text. Here is my code in which you can see that how I have neatly explained it. Here's a serial monitor and it can clearly show the readings of the PIR buzzer and it will move in this format. Yes, I want this buzzer to be this. Thank you.